Hi everyone and welcome to NeuroNews. In this week, we have so incredible stories like AI is now writing code for Spotify. Microsoft just fixed a biggest security disaster in months. ChatGPT is getting ads, and we have exciting news about own product, the Messenger Resonance. Let's get started. First story of today. Spotify's engineers have stopped writing code. Yes, you heard it right. They stopped writing code. Since December 2025, Spotify's best developers haven't tried a single line of code. So, what are they doing exactly? They are supervising AI. Spotify built an internal system called
HONK AI. This AI, powered by Claude Code, now writes all the code. Here's how it works. Engineers tell the AI what they want. The AI writes the code. Engineers review it and approve it. That's it. And it's working incredibly well. In 2025, Spotify released more than 50 new features. In early 2026, they launched AI playlists, audiobook features, and song information tools. All of this happened in just a few weeks. Spotify's CEO said this speed would be impossible without AI. So what does this mean? For Spotify, it means faster development and more features. For developers around the world, it's a big question mark. If AI can write code, what happens to programmers? Spotify says their engineers are still essential. They just work differently now. They design, they think, they guide. The AI handles the typing. Is this the future of software development? We'll have to wait and see. But one thing is clear, AI isn't just helping developers anymore. It's replacing parts of their job.
Moving to the cybersecurity. Microsoft just released one of the biggest security updates in years. On 10th of February, Microsoft Patch Tuesday fixed 58
vulnerabilities. But here's the scary part. 6 of these vulnerabilities were already being used by hackers. These are called 0 days. That means hackers found them and exploited them before Microsoft could fix them. Why is this dangerous? Because millions of computers were vulnerable and hackers were already inside some of them. The most serious vulnerability is called CVE 2026-21510. It's a bypass flaw in Windows security warnings. Normally, when you try to open a suspicious file, Windows shows you a warning. Are you sure you want to open this? This vulnerability lets hackers skip that warning completely. You click on a file, no warning appears. Malicious code runs on your computer. And you never knew anything was wrong. Microsoft says this vulnerability affects Windows 10 and 11, Office and Microsoft 365, Azure Cloud Services, even developer tools like GitHub Copilot. What should you do? Update your Windows computer immediately. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all updates. Don't wait. These aren't normal security patches. These are fixes for attacks happening right now. IT administrators around the world are working this weekend to patch their systems. This is a reminder. Even the biggest tech companies have security holes, and hackers are always looking for them. Stay updated, stay protected.
Next up, OpenAI just changed ChatGPT forever. Starting this month, ChatGPT will show ads. Here is what happened.
If you use the free version of ChatGPT, you'll start seeing advertisements. They appear at the bottom of ChatGPT's responses, clearly labeled as ads. OpenAI also created a new subscription tier called ChatGPT Go. It costs $8 per month. But here's the catch, even if you pay $8, you still see ads. To get rid of ads completely, you need to pay $20 for ChatGPT Plus or $200 for ChatGPT Pro. Why is OpenAI doing this? Simple. Money. Running HONK AI costs a lot. Servers, electricity, computing power. It all adds up. OpenAI says ads won't change how ChatGPT works. Your conversations stay private. They won't sell your data to advertisers. And the ads are context-aware. That means if you ask about buying a laptop, you might see a laptop ad at the bottom. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? For users who pay $20 or more, nothing changes. No ads for you. For free users and $8 subscribers, this is the new reality. But here's the bigger picture. ChatGPT started as a free, revolutionary tool. Now it's becoming like every other internet service, free with ads or pay to remove them. Some people say this is fair. AI is expensive to run. Others say this is the beginning of the end for OpenAI for everyone. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
And finally, some exciting news from NeuroNews Computing. Our anonymous messenger, Resonance, just got a major visual upgrade. We launched 4 brand new visual themes. Let me show you how it looks.
First, Quantum Violet, deep purple with glowing neon highlights. Perfect for the cyberpunk aesthetic.
Second, Gotham Black, all black, sleek, inspired by Batman world. For users who prefer to stay in the shadow.
Third, Neon Amber, fiery orange and red with electric accents, bold and energetic. And fourth, Dream House, bright pink and playful, inspired by Barbie. Because privacy doesn't have to look serious. Therefore, join our original Glitch Blue team, giving you 5 unique styles to choose from. But Resonance isn't just about looking good. It's still the only anonymous messenger that gives you complete anonymity through Tor, I2P, and VPN routing. MAC address masking so your device can't be tracked. A built-in cryptocurrencies wallet and pay-per-view messaging. That last feature is special. Pay-per-view means you can charge people to read your messages or access your content. Perfect for consultants, advisors, or content creators who want to monetize their expertise. When someone pays to view your message, the money goes directly to your crypto wallet through a secure escrow system. No middleman, no fees taken by us. And now you can do all of this in whichever style fits your personality. Want to look dark and mysterious? Gotham Black. Want to stand out? Neon Amber. Want to have fun? Dream House. Resonance combines serious privacy with personal style. It's available now. Link in the description below. Choose your theme. Keep your privacy.
And that is for this week's NeuroNews. Spotify's AI is writing code.
Microsoft patched 6 actively exploited vulnerabilities.
ChatGPT is getting ads, and Resonance just become a lot more colorful. What story surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment. If you want to stay updated on the tech and privacy news, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bam, bam. All the links are in the description below. Ciao! Check out more content from NeuroNews Computing. We create tools and stories about digital privacy and freedom. Our products guarantee the highest level of anonymity, encryption, and security online. Try them. Stay invisible.